Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be going over pinpoint positioning with the xTool S1 here. Show you guys why it's actually more accurate than any other laser that I've seen so far, especially one with a camera, because the camera is kind of fisheye lens and it kind of distorts the image. As you can see here, we're going to kind of mess with these two little coin things as a preview here. I'm not going to actually engrave them today. I'm short on time, but I wanted to show you guys how this works. Essentially, as you can see my little crosshair here, this is where the current position of the laser head is. So I'm going to do a quick auto measurement. I'm just going to click on this right here. It's in the center of the actual leather patch here. It's going to do an auto measurement of the patch, and then it's going to go across the edge of the device, and then it's going to do the height there and then come back across. So now what we need to do is we need to actually start marking for this pinpoint positioning here. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit start marking, and then I'm going to show you all the different types here. So when you click start marking, it'll give you these 4 different types. I'll give you a quick rundown and look at what you can expect from them, whether it's the rectangle, the circle, the polygon, or the line. I'm going to show you all 4 things. I'm only going to push the buttons on the circle because that's the circle that we're talking about today. But let me go ahead and show you the rectangle first, then the circle, then the polygon, and then the line. So let's go ahead and jump over to the machine really quick and I'll show you that. Alright you guys, so as you can see we are now at the machine. We're going to grab this laser head. If you wanted to do a rectangle, you would line this up with the edge of your material here. Let's say this little card here is what we wanted. You can line the card up right where you want it just so it looks even. Let's say that's good enough. You would then push the button on the front of the machine to mark your first spot. Then you would move it down to the next spot here, and you push the button at the front of your machine again. That is how you would get the pinpoint alignment for the rectangle. Next up is the circle, which is the one that we will be doing here. So you want 3 points on this. We're going to choose this point. I'm going to hit the front button here. It has marked the first point here. Then you're going to do the second point, which we're going to go right about here. That looks pretty good. We're going to hit the button again. And then lastly, we're going to go all the way down here. And we're going to hit the button one more time to register that. So it's now registered all 3 points. Now just to show you the polygon, you do the same thing but 5 points. We're going to go like right here. You push the button. You go up here. Push the button. Over here. Push the button. And then we could go something like this down here, push the button, and right here, and push the button. And that would be the polygon. Lastly, you have a straight line. So let's say you wanted to just go straight across the center of this, and you think this is center here. You could push the button right here, and then just do a straight line, and push the button one more time, and that would be centered. But today we're doing the circle. So we're going to be jumping back over to the software. I'll show you the 3 points it registered for the leather patch here. Alright you guys, so as you can see we're now back on the computer. Here are the 3 points that we marked on that circle. We're going to click end marking, and then we're going to hit done. And as you can see, this is exactly where that leather patch is on the board. So we're going to grab one of these coins. You tell me which one you like best. I'm going to just go with this one on the left for right now. We're going to shrink it down. Then all you got to do is align this with your circle as accurately as you can, depending on the width of your design here. And then what we're going to do is let's grab this little hand here and move this around a little bit. There we go. And we want to make sure that's all the way center here. As you can see, let me make it a little bit shorter so you can see here. But you see these blue lines that come up. Those are just crosshairs to show you that you're dead center of that circle. And then you can print it off. So obviously we'd probably want to make this a little bit bigger on that patch there. Let's just make that a little bit bigger. And then we're going to center it up just like that. Right there. Looks about center. Okay. And then we would just hit print. I'll show you guys one that I've done already. I'm not going to do these coins today. Like I said, just short on time here. But I did the pirate patch in the past, and it works the exact same way. And that's pretty much how you use the pinpoint positioning system. This will allow you minimal error in your prints. It's a pretty intuitive design. It's completely automated after you click the measurements there. And then you don't have to rely on the fish-eyed camera that we were talking about. But that's pretty much it. I wanted to show you guys the pinpoint positioning here. I know I told you guys in the past that I was going to make a video on it. Hopefully it helps show you guys how to do it. Just make sure that you do that autofocus in the top right here before you do the actual start marking here. So you make sure you have the thickness of your material. Other than that, if you have any questions and I missed anything, let me know down in the comments below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.